NVMe M.2 SSDs are where it's at nowadays. You'll save mounting hassle, cable management hassle, and have a faster drive on top of that. But is it really faster than a SATA SSD? Let's have a quick look. My name is Chris, this is Coalition Gaming, and today I'll be your computer technician. Real quick, if you're new around here and are into PC, hardware, tech, gaming, stream tips, tutorials, news, and reviews, then you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss a single upload. Also, I stream to Twitch every Friday at 8 p.m. Pacific at twitch.tv/Coalition Gaming Crew. So feel free to stop by, drop a follow, and talk some tech. Anyways, let's get to the video. A while back, we did a video on a SATA SSD from SK Hynix, who re-entered the consumer SSD market with the drive from that video. Hynix is a major player in NAND flash and memory production on the back end of things, if you weren't aware. Now they have arrived to the NVMe game with this drive, the Gold P31. Special thanks to SK Hynix for sending that out for this video, by the way. This drive is rated for 3,500 megabytes per second writes and 3,200 megabytes per second read speeds, comes with a 5-year warranty, and has a 1.5 million hour mean time before failure rating, as well as a 750 terabytes written rating. The drive is also nice in that it isn't a cheap DRAM-less SSD like so many out there. It uses an LPDDR4 DRAM cache with both a hybrid and dynamic SLC cache to further keep things speedier for longer bursts. This uses Hynix's own SSD controller, as well known as cepheus, and is a PCIe Gen 3 4-lane drive. Lastly, this uses the world's first 128-layer 4D NAND TLC flash. That claim may be a bit sensationalist, but what this means in simpler terms is that the circuits that control the array of NAND flash memory sits under the array instead of around it, which saves space and increases how many NAND flash chips can be put on a single PCB, which could also reduce costs for higher capacity drives. Technology that does exactly this already exists out there, but SK Hynix's approach is what's on the menu today, so enough with the tech jargon, let's look at some benchmarks. The AS SSD benchmark was used to compare performance of this drive versus my 2TB SATA Micron SSD, as well as my older SanDisk X400 1TB SSD, the SATA one as well. As you can see, this NVMe drive absolutely demolishes those drives in every single metric pretty much, even though it did seem to not exactly hit the advertised speeds, but that could have been just the test I was running in AS SSD. Either way, it's still insanely fast. But how does this translate to the real world? Here's a chart of some games that have some pretty crappy load times, even on a SATA SSD. Time is in seconds, which means lower is better. So while this drive appears to be faster than any SATA SSD, real-world performance versus those is only a small amount better, whether that be in game loading or Windows boot up time. At this point, most people researching SATA versus NVMe drives should know that. I do have to say though, the system did feel snappier with this drive installed. Where drives like this really shine though is large sequential writes and transfers. Let's say you're a video editor and have a lot of high quality, high bitrate footage. That results in large files, and you don't want to be sitting around waiting for these files to transfer to your drive. If you have Thunderbolt 40 gigabits per second, USB 3.2 20 gigabits per second, or even USB 3.1 10 gigabits per second, any of those ports, then you'll be able to transfer files way faster to a drive like this compared to a SATA SSD, and you can get your work done much quicker. Or if you have multiple NVMe SSDs in your system and move files from one drive with active work projects to another with less active projects, then those transfers will also go much faster. Those are just a few examples though, and I'm sure there are many other ways an SSD like this can be better utilized. The advertised durability, warranty, and speed of this drive make it a pretty solid choice if you're in the market for something like this, and the best part is they aren't priced too crazily. The 1TB comes in at $135 and the 500GB drive comes in at $75. At that pricing, I think the 1TB is a better value though. I hope you found this information in this video useful, informative, helpful, or otherwise entertaining, maybe. If you like this video, you know what to do. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, let's talk SSDs. And remember, I stream every Friday, 8 p.m. Pacific at twitch.tv/Coalition Gaming Crew. Hope to see you there. Links to these drives, all our socials, and everything like that is all down in the description below. That's it for me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Also, we've got plenty of other videos that I think you might like. Link right over here. So click one. I'll see you over there maybe in the comments. You should click one. Didn't click one, huh? So I'm just here looking at you now, huh? Because you didn't click it?